Hi, today we will learn one of the 8 parts of speech in the English language. We will learn all about the part and use it to make some sentences. Grab your notebook and pencil and let's get started. Today we will learn about nouns. In a simple way, nouns are just a person, a place, and a thing. This is a simple way to remember it, but let's add some more to this. Nouns are interesting. In a sentence, nouns can add a few things. Let's list them here. A subject, a direct object, an indirect object, a subject complement, an object complement, an appositive, an adjective. If it sounds confusing, don't worry. We will break this down together. Let's look at the first simple thing a noun can be, a person. Lionel Messi. A noun can be a person's name. The Queen. A noun can be a person's title or job. My mother. A noun can be a specific person. A boy. A noun can be a non-specific person. Let's look at the second simple thing a noun can be, a place. The Sphinx. A noun can be a specific location. New York City. A noun can be a large specific place, but not a specific location. My bedroom. A noun can be a specific place without a name. A park. A noun can be a common place. Let's look at the third simple thing a noun can be, a thing. A shoe. A noun can be something we can touch, tangible. A sound. A noun can be something we can hear but not touch, intangible. Freedom. A noun can be an idea that we understand, abstract. The moon. A noun can be a specific thing everyone knows. Nouns can be common or proper. First, let's look at a proper noun. Chris can speak English and Korean when he visits Seoul. Chris is a proper noun because it's the name of a person. English and Korean are intangible proper nouns for specific languages. Seoul is a proper noun and it is the name of a specific city. Nouns can be common or proper. Now let's look at common nouns. There are 2 girls sitting at their desks in the classroom. Girls is a common noun that is plural. It is non-specific. Desks is a common tangible noun that is plural and non-specific. Classroom is a non-specific location. Common or generic nouns can be broken down into 3 subtypes: concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns. A concrete noun is something that is perceived by the senses, something that is physical or real. I heard a doorbell. The floor is sticky. Ugh. Doorbell and floor are real things that can be sensed. An abstract noun is something that cannot be perceived by the senses. I can't imagine the courage it took to do that. Wow. Courage is an abstract noun. Courage can't be seen, heard, or sensed in any other way, but we know it exists. A collective noun denotes a group or collection of people or things. That bunch of apples is fresh. Bunch of apples, as used here, is a collective noun. Collective nouns take a singular verb as if they are one entity. In this case, the singular verb is. Every sentence must have a subject, and that subject will always be a noun. The subject of a sentence is a person, place, or thing that is doing or being the verb in that sentence. The girl is hungry. The girl is the subject in this sentence, and the corresponding verb is a form of the be, is. Nouns can also be objects. of a verb in a sentence. An object can be either a direct object, a noun that receives the action performed by the subject, or an indirect object, a noun that is the recipient of a direct object. Give the money to me. Money is a direct object, what is being given, and me is the indirect object, who the money is being given to. Another type of noun use is called a subject complement. In this example, the noun teacher is used as a subject complement. Amara is a teacher. Subject complements normally follow linking verbs like to be, become, or seem. A teacher is what Amara is. She's pretty. A related usage of nouns is called an object complement. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Oh, husband and wife are nouns used as object complements in this sentence. Verbs that denote making, naming, or creating are often followed by object complements. An appositive noun is a noun which immediately follows another noun in order to further define or identify it. My brother Ben is 20 years old. Ben is an appositive here, further identifying the subject of the sentence, my brother. Plural nouns, unlike collective nouns, require plural verbs. Many English plural verb nouns can be formed by adding s or es to the singular form, although there are many exceptions. Puppy, puppies. There are 4 puppies in the box. Oh, so cute. Don't forget the plural verb are. Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted even if the number might be extraordinarily high, like counting all the people in the world. Countable nouns can be used with a and, the, some, any, a few, and many. Look at my puppy. Oh, puppy is singular. 1 is countable. There are 2 puppies. Puppies is plural. We can count how many there are. Don't forget the plural verb are. Don't forget are. Uncountable nouns are nouns that come in a state or quantity which is impossible to count. Liquids are uncountable, as are things that act like liquids, sand and air. They are always considered to be singular and can be used with some, any, little, and much. There is so much water on my computer. This example refers to an unspecified, unquantifiable amount of water, so water is an uncountable noun. Possessive nouns are nouns which possess something. Example, they have something. You can identify a possessive noun by the apostrophe. Most nouns show the possessive with an apostrophe and an S. The girl's cat toy had 5 babies. The girl possesses the toy, and we show this by the use of apostrophe S at the end of cat. Now it's your turn. Comment down below your answers, and I will check your answers for you. Yeah, write them in the comments, and I'll check them for you. 1. He has kids with his wife. Which is the plural noun? Number 2, make a sentence with a proper noun. Number 3, what kind of noun is Michelle? Number 4, make a sentence with 2 singular nouns. Number 5, make a sentence with an irregular noun. Number 6, make a sentence with a singular common noun and a plural common noun. Number 7, make a sentence with a collective noun. Number 8, pass the sandwich to me. Which kind of object is the sandwich? Great job! I will see you for the next parts of speech lesson. Make sure you wrote all of the information in your notebook. Goodbye.